Hello everyone, welcome back to Sham's Makeup Artistry. Today I do have a foundation review for you guys, and I'm going to review a drugstore foundation. I'm actually a fan of the Maybelline. This is their up to 24 hours foundation, and in this foundation I'm in the shade 330, which is Toffee. This is a 30 ml of foundation and it claims to be a full coverage foundation which lasts for 24 hours. So since I'm a fan of this foundation, they came out with a stick version of this foundation. And I definitely wanted to give it a try because I totally love this foundation. Being a drugstore brand, this one has to be my favorite pick when it comes to a foundation. And when they came out with a stick version, I'm all about it because a stick version is more practical on a day that you are on a hurry, and it's so easy to apply on your face and easily blendable. So this is how the stick formula looks like. I do have a review of the liquid version. I will definitely link them down on the description bar below. So let's take a look at the stick version. So this is how the foundation looks like. It comes in a white packaging. On the outside, it does say that it's Maybelline Superstay Multi-Use Foundation Stick, Cream to Matte Formula, Precision Blender, and it's full coverage. And with the stick formula as well, I picked out the shade 330, which is Toffee Caramel. So this is again how it looks like. It comes with a blending puff on the top, and on the bottom is the foundation. So this is how the foundation looks like on the inside. On the packaging, it does say that it's a 0.25 ounce of product, which is 7 grams. I'm looking at my Makeup Revolution foundation, which is also a stick formula. Here it says that it's a 0.21 ounce, which is 6.2 grams. So Maybelline has more product in it. So when we actually roll this up, this is the entire product. I've used very little of this foundation all over my face area because it is a full coverage foundation. Now comparing it to the liquid version, which looks like this, it does come with a pump. I personally prefer the liquid version of it because I feel that it blends into the skin much more easier than the stick formula. As I have mentioned, the stick version of foundations are very practical. One of my favorite has to be the Lancome Tenidol Ultra Longwear Stick Foundation. I find it very practical, very easy going to apply on my face on the days that I'm rushing out. So I expected the same with the stick formula from Maybelline because with this one, I find it that it was wearing very beautifully on my skin. But I felt that with this one, it was difficult to blend it into my skin. I do have a combination to dry skin. Maybe for oily skin girls, it might work for you much better than for a combination to dry skin because you tend to have natural oils on your face, and foundation or whatever products that you apply, it might glide on a little bit more smoother than a combination to dry skin, if that does make sense. For me, it was a little bit difficult to get it in blended. Once it was blended, it really melted into the skin, and I do have like an oily T-zone on that area. The oil kind of like sinked in, and then the foundation did look well on my skin. I only had issues while I was blending it in. Do I like this foundation? I do love this foundation, but I felt that it did oxidize tad a little bit on me, just like the liquid version. Even the liquid version kind of like oxidized on my skin tad a little bit, which didn't matter to me at all. It still looked like my skin color. Overall, I do love the Maybelline Superstay range of foundation. Comparing both of them, I feel that they work equally the same. This one is much more handier, but I did not use it with the sponge, which is on the top right here. It's pretty soft, but I don't know if I can make it work. Maybe applying concealer would work much better with this sort of sponge. For the entire face area, I'm not too sure. Maybe I have to dab like quite a bit to get the coverage that I want for my face area. Overall, this foundation is a thumbs up for me. I would truly recommend this foundation if you're looking out for something affordable at the drugstore. Definitely check out the Superstay one, especially if you have oily skin. If you have combination to dry skin, you can also work it out. But for dry skin girls, I wouldn't vouch for it. You may want to give it a try and see how it works for you personally. I do hope that you found my very quick review and also a demo on the Maybelline Superstay foundation being helpful for you guys to decide or not you're gonna pick it up. To my very next one, stay beautiful both inside and out. Give me a thumbs up, share all your love and support, and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.